everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create a new child subitem in our app Unlimited Subitems. So once you're in the tab view, which as after installing is a direct copy and paste from the main table, you're going to scroll down to the group and parent item that you want to create your app in. So in this case, I have my parent item here, and then I already have my sub items pre-built. It's important to note that these two levels are the native Monday.com items. And then the third level, which is the items that our app creates, is where our app starts to function. So as you can see, I was able to add in a third sub-item level here. So for example, social media launch, I might want to actually get into specific details on what platforms I want to use. So let's go for an example. So I'm going to add Twitter and Instagram. So here is an example of how you can get into a high level of detail. So let's say I actually want to add another level, so a fourth level. So let's say I have post 1, I'm going to add that in. And then let's say I want to get into even more detail, and this is a video. So as you can see, I've created 5 levels using our app, and that's how you would create sub items using Unlimited Subitems.